Jesus Christ! I knew you had some missing textures on you.
Who's corrupting him, bro? Damn!
Such a horrible thing! What the fuck?
Oh.
Oh no!
Oh no, speaking of corrupted.
Him so hard that he said he started feeding his own dishes.
Oh my god.
I'm going to bring you down. Now come here.
I leave for a couple of minutes, already there's chaos unfolding. I'm so mad that I missed that one recording of when...
Don't try me.
I am so upset, because like I missed the beginning of that argument. Oh my god, I'm upset. Oh my god.
Why am I so huge?
Where's Bill Swift?
No.
Don't be silly. He don't got it. You're sack.
Pornography has already reached our defenses.
What the fuck?
You just twist your ass. Holy shit, guys! I'm okay like my ear.
Actually, that's actually a legal figure of.
So this is our other alternate universe? Is this what we succumb to? Yeah, I hope that too. Like this used to be us in another world, and then we're still like that.
I'm gonna come on you.
Oh, but
Dude,
Leave that little guy alone. What the fuck is you gonna do if I don't?
Hey, Pico. Crazy. I was crazy.
Pico.
A rubber room with rats.
Pico.
Rats made me crazy. Crazy. I was crazy once. You know, I mean a rubber room with rats. Rats made me crazy.
Pico.
I think he has PTSD from that.
Guess what, Pico? Guess what, Pico?
Gone.
They're gone. Don't worry. They're gone.
Literally pulled off card. Did you literally pull off?
You know what was here? Bro, guess what?
I'm gonna. Bro, what happened to you, bro? How you gonna cut it?
I'm gonna pull your dad.
How you look like Mighty the Armadillo while simultaneously looking like an ugly son of a bitch. Too bad you never actually. Give me shit where you follow this more nasty and nasty. Yeah, bro. You look like you get triple on the dog eating milk, bro. Please get your nasty ass out of here. I don't want to hear that. Bro. Your fucking mother's so great that you really give fucking taste over a chance, bro. You're actually so fucking fat.
How rap battles start? How rap battles start?
Shut up. I think I won that easily. Okay, do you want to tell me exactly what I stole from Pat God then? Because last time I checked, Pat God talking about queso, bitches, and being This is a better hairline than yours. Bro, your eyebrows are so long you're giving Red from the Angry Birds a challenge. Bro, that's like one giant tooth in your mouth.
What do you mean?
Your hairline is good.
Bro, that's why you literally got a fucking marker into a circle and a fucking cross line on your fucking chest because you're out of order. You're that fucking stupid. You got an extra chromosome just boiling over right now. You got like multiple of them.
Yes, what?
Bro, you're literally the reason osmosis exists. They fucking split themselves in two just because they don't want to listen to your fucking ugly ass. Like sounding like you came out of a karma alarm system.
I sound nowhere close to a system.
Bro, your ears are literally triangles. Shut the fuck up, bro.
We're close to a triangle. What are you talking about?
Literally, my ain't triangles, because look, they got a curve. Yours are literally just triangles, looking like Dorito chips. You definitely buy shit at your charity shop, don't you? You're that broke you have to buy shit at the charity shop because your girlfriend sucks all the money out of you like the gold digging whore she is.
I got you.
What the fuck's going on anymore?
I have been looking
I've been cooking you up for the past 5 minutes.
10 minutes now.
Bro, nothing you say has even got to me yet, bro. I look at you, you're just retaliating like crazy, dog. I'm literally laughing my ass off at your fucking stupid ass.
He already laughing. I don't know.
Yo, McDonald's, hey, why are you getting
You fucking stupid bitch.
at the drive-thru?
Bro, I'm literally making a mockery of you. You're actually just destroying yourself.
Guys, chill. Watch, chill the hell out.
Simple way to solve this.
Both of you.
What, by me cooking him up more? I mean, I don't think the builder can fix his ugly face. I mean, look at him.
No.
Bro, looks like he's straight from Tom and Jerry, dude. Dude, if I shoot at this bitch, my bullets are gonna move out the fucking way because he's that ugly. He's the reason the curved bullet exists, because he's so fucking ugly. Dog, I'm literally making more sense than you. Yes, I am.
The greatest rap battle in history.
Who let this bitch cook? Who let you cook? Because goddamn, that's just still raw.
Chill out, Neo.
I chose to.
Don't put any FNF music.
You get fucked, dog. Unlike your girlfriend, because you can't even police that bitch without millimeter to feed her.
You never even had it.
Always leaving your girl unsatisfied after blowing your load after the first 2 seconds.
What are you talking about?
Yeah, but I had a better boyfriend. Because I get all the bitches on the same thing, dog.
The mic is ass.
Bro, oh my god. You're actually a fucking... Dude. You're actually stupid. Get your fucking pronouns and get the fuck out of here. Bro, your pronouns are not him and not her.
We're close.
Oh my god.
So when are you guys
You're not
going to be gay?
Back up.
I got it.
You're literally getting your fade ram here, cuz.
So you
Oh
guys
my
gotta stop being gay or
Quit
what?
it. Dog,
Yeah,
if I was gonna be gay, I'd smooch Darnell over there because he's looking mighty fine.
What the fuck is happening? What is happening?
Yo, what's up, dog?
Dog, what the fuck are you gonna tell me? That you're fatherless?
I-
Because goddamn, I already know.
I was gonna tell you that you stole a roast and that was it. But you want to start all of this.
Dog, don't act like that fucking instant son of a bitch. I heard you going off over here. You like, shut your nasty ass up, bro.
You want to start roasting me.
Yeah, and I did. It's called retaliation. Because you are trying to spit fire at me. I spit fire at your dumb ass because you can't fight back.
Started this, why I did.
Shut up.
Dog, you don't even deserve to be in the boyfriend avatar with how hard you got cooked.
Damn.
Now, how about you go be Daddy Dearest and be a fat old geezer who's on their fucking memory loss fucking program?
Where's his cripple?
Damn.
Fucking dementia ass ridden bitch.
Thank you for the vine boom.
Come slide
Dog,
looking ass bitch.
you literally came from a fucking spelling bee after failing every word there.
What did you use for the
Yo, you got up in man's though. You
Looking
getting
like you
jumped.
fucking Albert Einstein's long lost little baby bitch.
If you think about it,
You literally do look like you're
You see
fucking
him watching a
slushy
roast
puppy,
battle
bro. Get your ass out of here.
no, this ain't a roast battle. This is a massacre.
like that.
This is a
What?
massacre.
Bro, there is nothing you can say. You have been cooked beyond comprehension.
You getting triple teamed.
Tell me, how?
Everybody here has been laughing at your dumb ass. Everybody. Like, if I ask the audience here, who has been cooked more hard?
I would say this one. Right there.
This one?
Fucked
Wow.
harder than you got fucked back in 1905 when that big dude touched you up. Fuck.
Oh.
Bro, that microphone looks like it was made in MS
You
Paint.
moved it too. Get out of here.
What do we do? What do we do?
Everything was made.